Now, what inherent feminine qualities, right, are under-leveraged by you in your quest to being where you are today, Janani?
So researchers call out certain traits of women leaders versus male leaders, or feminine leadership qualities versus masculine leadership qualities. But again, there could be differences between one person to another. Growing up, we were two sisters. We are two sisters, me and my sister, and I do not have a male comparison at all at home. We were raised as independent kids. We were raised as people who can talk our minds out and talk through fears as well. So that environment was provided. So from that standpoint, I did not even have the comprehension of the fact that there could be a lot of difference between the way males and females could be treated at workplace, more so at a leadership level as well. It could have expressions in different ways. I did not know that actually until I at least had like 10 years of career. But after that, I started seeing that there are certain traits that are appreciated and certain traits that are not appreciated. Like in a similar situation, there is a male and female. A male says, no, I think this cannot be done. This is what is okay. And the same thing is told by a female in the same way is not very well received if it's a female who's saying that versus a male saying that, because we have inherently felt that females are supposed to be softer versus males can be assertive, right? I think there is this expansion of thought process that people will also have to go through, saying a leader is a leader invariable of the gender. Correct. And the leadership quality is a quality that's needed. And yeah, there may be traits that females could have, or a feminine leadership quality could possess in terms of emotionally aware, being naturally inclusive, being caring and compassionate. These could be feminine characteristics, but I've seen these in some of the male leaders that I have worked with too. And I have seen women who are quite assertive, and they are praised also, which are traditionally male leadership characteristics. First of all, do we even have enough data or subset to say these are female leadership characteristics? Because we had only male leaders for a long time. Even right now, if you see, let's take HR as a profession. Over 60% of HR professionals today are women only. But then you go to the top, there are still only very few, because they're still grappling with, I need to manage these things back home. There's nobody to look after my child. You know, all of that, because somebody has to do that as well. It's not because of lack of capability that they're not coming out or lack of leadership traits, so to say. It's more about the aspects that they need to manage beyond work as well. And nowadays, I think that's also changing. There are a lot of male leaders or male members that are taking familial responsibilities.